Well, hello, this is Daniel from Visionary Teaching, and I am going to show you just how easy and how quick it is to add a video background to be your virtual background. So it's important that first you go find a short video clip. An MOV file is great, an MPEG file is great. I have one on my desktop, and once you have that saved, here's what you do. You go to the caret next to the stop video. You choose virtual background. And then here, you have the ones that are already saved. So you go to this plus sign, add video. I have one here on my desktop already. And there we go. I obviously need a green screen, but you get the point. You can have a lot of fun with this. There are a lot of different options that we can use. So, here we go. Beautiful. So, enjoy and check out visionaryteaching.com for all sorts of great innovative teaching and training ideas and free resources.